It's exactly 2 seconds off Jay, just about. And that's what she's always shooting for.
Oh, phone. Okay, kick his ass.
You did last time.
Have fun with it. Make sure you reach down because he doesn't do it without it.
Oh, he's pooping.
He's pooping.
He's done.
Scoot him now.
Down a little more.